What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to convert JPG file into PDF using Photoshop. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. So first of all, open any Photoshop. I am using 2019 version. You can use more update or less. So here you can see I have some PNG file, or you can also do from JPG to PDF. I have some PNG file, so I want to convert all the files into a PDF file. So select all the file from here and then drag and drop into the Photoshop. Here I have 7 files, so you can select more or less. Here you can see all the file is available. Now it's time to convert into PDF. Go to file, click to automate, and then click to PDF presentation. Now click check mark here, add open file. You can see all the files. Now you can also organize the serial. Then click to save, and then again select device position where you want to save this file. Then click to save. And now it's time to select the resolution. You can select high resolution, or you can also select smallest file size. Basically I like this one, and then click to save PDF. Now see what happened. You can see it's our PDF file. So that's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.